something for my birthday. I have to open the box and put away the knife I used to open it. So, I heard that you can get like in trouble for that. So I opened this up a little bit before I realized I should probably make a video of this because content. This bag smells the sweetest, rather than the one that I'm leaving my phone on, which smells like plastic. So, yes. Oh, hell yes. This is a gold mine. Nice, some chewing gum. I love this chewing gum. It's Orbit. I'm going to put my phone and show all the sweets. Oh, so you're rich? This is cool, rich. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, Puck. They just made a different cover for it. The chocolate that I literally love. It usually has a picture with it. Well, it always does. Outside the Vita, I already made a video on these. But let's see, some of them have new flavors. Ooh, this one I've never seen before. It's probably going to taste good because things from Bagno taste absolutely amazing. Okay, now let's open this, okay? I think we should probably place it on the box. Wait, I have to move this out of the way. There's definitely something in there, and probably isn't sweets or the box. I should probably go and get the knife. Okay, I'm not gonna show it because I heard that that's bad. It's kind of blunt, so it's not gonna really work well, but there. Ooh, clothes. Well, I'm not gonna eat clothes, am I? So, put this to the side. Also, this is the thing that was hitting. Oh, it's a book. Nice. I'll keep this. And, oh, okay, nice. Fresh clothes. Yes, finally a new pair of underwear that isn't just plain white. Let's see, more underwear. And nice, a shirt. I've never seen one with a zipper on it. But nice. Trousers. Not trousers, but 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yep. Now, I'm going to try the chocolate first. Because, yeah. I'll push that away. Oh, I remember this. And now that I say I remember it, it's a banana chocolate thing. Shape of a banana. Well, it's supposed to, but if you kind of get this, it doesn't really look like that. So, yeah. Tastes like banana, just kind of sweet. The middle of it, okay, it's kind of slime-ish. It tastes like a gel. Yeah, there's more of it. In this video, I'm just going to be showcasing some of the, like, one of each of the things. I have scissors here as well. I don't know why I throw stuff on the bed up here. This is it. Wait. Yeah. So, I'm gonna hit this up. So, 3, 2, 1. And left. I'm probably just gonna throw rubbish in the box. It's popping at like the back of my neck. And I swallowed it and got the pinch thing. And it goes to the front of your tongue. It like pinches it a bit. Let's see. I don't think I ever had the yellow Cedevita on video. So you pull this and you. It's kind of like a cigarette box. I know that because my grandparents smoke a lot. Okay. It sounds like I'm breaking my teeth each time I do that. And definitely does taste like lemon. I don't know how to explain it. I'll explain it in a way of sound. Like I'm gonna explain flavor as like a sound. As like a really, really, really like sweet taste. I don't know. But it kind of has like. Wait, I'm gonna do the sound part now. It tastes kind of high pitch. I sound like an idiot, don't I? But ow. So this is what it's called. Cedevita. It's kind of different on camera because the words are reversed. Wait. Oh, I had the whatever that says. I'm not good with the reading Bosnian, but I'm good at speaking it and understanding it. Okay, this is what it looks like. This time it's white and pink. This is a lemon version. Oh, it's banana? It says on it. Banana. So, 3, 2, 1. It tastes like a bit of a mix of the banana chocolate, but it's just a poppy version of it. Whatever it's called, Puk. The chocolate, one of my favorites, absolute favorites. And let's see the picture. It's a seal. Nice. I don't really keep these. You can peel it off and kind of use it as a sticker. Oh yeah, I got it a bit. Yeah. But this can definitely be peeled. Oh yeah, I'm stupid. You're supposed to peel it off at the green thing. You're supposed to fold it like that. Then you can peel it. And now you can stick it. I'm gonna have it on my head for the rest of the video. Because the glue on it isn't... Wait, what was I gonna... Oh yeah, I was gonna eat the chocolate. Let's see. It looks like... The tinfoil for me kind of looks like... Like, you know when you look at your shirt, you can kind of see like crosses on it. This has them too. Try and get it really close. Yes, finally they didn't break it. It's like a little bit damaged, but like not broken damaged. Class. I think it must have melted a bit. It's a little soft. It's good. Then this. It's a milk straw, but I'll be honest, I kind of eat these a bit. The stuff inside them, it tastes delicious. So this is how I open them. You're not supposed to open them, but I just cut them open. There's always that little gap, and you just do this. It's called milk straw, so you're supposed to dip it in some milk, and then you can drink it. Like, God damn it. At least it was only a bit. You're supposed to dip it in and then drink through it, and they'll turn it into chocolate. What was it? Hot chocolate? I don't know what I was gonna say. It says, damn it! It says on the packet. Yeah, okay. Wait, they have different flavors. Well, so you just do this. I'm gonna have to clean that up. Okay. Now, which one should I choose? Oh, a different version of it. Forest fruit flavor. I'm gonna guess. Wait. Must be right here. Did I get it? Oh. I literally got it on the line, like right here. So now let's. I should probably cut it properly like that. Alright, 3, 2, 1. It tastes a bit like Cedevita. Like the original one. I think it was originally this one. The orange one, that was the original. Or, I don't know. But, yeah. It tastes a bit like that. It literally just kind of tastes the same. But, yeah. Let's see, what else is there? Another pack of the same thing. Ooh, what's... Oh, chocolate penguin, I think. Is it chocolate penguin? No, it isn't chocolate penguin. This I don't remember either, but I probably will. No, don't remember it. No, I don't remember this, but let's try it. I think, yeah, I recognize the taste. I don't recognize the look or the smell, but I recognize the taste. It's pretty good. I'll just... Yes. I realize I can now use the popping thing. I'm gonna pop at least 3. Wait. Make the popping sound. It's popping but not making the sound. 2. Okay, that was like 4, but whatever. Orbit gun. I sound really American when I say that. Orbit gun, not orbit gun. Let's take this, put that there. I'm pretty sure you've all tasted Orbit. This one. It's a kid version, apparently, or something. I don't know. It looks the same. Get out there. now. Yeah, I recognize the smell. Well, of course I recognize I had this before. I don't know, I just like the smell. I kind of wonder why it's called Orbit. Was this originally made for space? Or what space would taste like? And before the video ends, one last loud pop. Alright. A couple loud pops, that's good. Sounds like when you pop your leg or your arm when you wake up. So yeah, that's done. Like the video because I probably have diabetes now, and also subscribe or else your mum gave up.
Bye-bye!